Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I am Anita and today I will show you how to make canned salmon curry. So let's get started. I've got here 1 can pink salmon which is 415 grams, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, salt to taste, oil for cooking, 1 large onion chopped, 2 sprigs of curry leaves which I have chopped, 3 green chilies. You can always use red chilies if you like. You don't need to chop the chilies. Just make a slit halfway up the chili. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, and 5 cloves of grated garlic. Take a pan, put it on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil, turn the pan around to coat the base of the pan and heat it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add cumin and mustard seeds, chopped onions and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Now add your chopped tomatoes, chilies, turmeric and garlic. Mix it well. Put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add your pink salmon, give it a mix and add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it again. Now put a lid on and cook it for further 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a mix again and taste your salt. It doesn't need any salt. Add your lemon juice and mix it well. Cook it for 1 minute without the lid. After 1 minute, turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My canned salmon curry is ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.